Kristen with Westside Construction. I'm here to do a repairability test on this roof. There's multiple wind-blown shingle throughout, not just on this first story, but also on the second story as well, along with hail damage, as you can see throughout. So I'm going to start right here on this wind-blown shingle. First, I've got to see where it begins, and you can tell it actually begins right here. So with this being a 3-tab, I've got to go over this way to unseal and then stop right there, and then unseal the ones on top of this and there to get this one shingle out. So I'm using the insurance approved roof snake to do this repairability test. Alright, I just gotta unseal all these. Now that I got everything unsealed, my next step is to get the nail out. So the first nail I've got to get out is actually right here. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and leave this right here. So this has actually cut the shingle right there trying to get this nail out. As you can see, the nail didn't even come out when trying to do this. It has poked through, therefore causing more damage on this one shingle. Next one is right here. All right, go ahead and watch as this nail cuts the shingle. You can see the tear that it just had created right there. The next one's right here, and you can already see it poking through. Yep, and it just went through. So my next one is up here. So I've got to get both of these nails out. This one and this one. I'm going to start with this one right here. Alright, before I even move, it's already going to tear up the shingle. You can see the damage that I just did. It completely tore the shingle right here. So in the process of trying to take out this one row of shingles, it has now damaged this row too. This roof is already showing that it's not repairable, but I am going to continue on. Alright, and you can just see, just did the same thing there. This is my next one. Same thing. This roof is not repairable. All right, the last one's right there. And it has just done the same thing that has done on the others and this one. So this is the shingle that we were trying to just replace. It has damaged 3 rows of shingles in the process. This roof is not repairable. We're gonna go ahead and send this off to you guys for you to allocate for a full roof.